For a limited time, you can actually get an extended 30-day trial of Webinarjam. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. My name is Kevin, and on this channel, I help entrepreneurs like you make money online by creating and selling digital products. I've been doing this for over 12 years, and every week I bring you a new video sharing my best strategies so you can start and grow faster. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss an upload. If you're watching this video, you know that webinars are one of the absolute best ways to scale your business and sell higher ticket items. But choosing the right webinar software can be tricky with all the options out there, and you also don't want to pay for something before you know it's actually going to work for you. As a solo entrepreneur, I don't have an unlimited budget, so I know how important it is to invest in the right tools. One of the best ways to make sure that you don't make the wrong decision for your business is to get the longest trial possible. Now, talking about Webinarjam specifically, if you go over to their website, you'll see that they actually don't advertise a trial. If you go to get started, you'll see you'll just have to pay up front. Now, they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, which de-risks things a bit, but you still do have to pay up front, which isn't great. Now, there is a trick I can show you to get a small trial. I believe this is only 7 or 14 days. It doesn't even specify how long. But the good news is, as a highest tier Webinarjam partner, I can more than double your trial and offer you a 30-day trial. All you have to do is click the link in the description in this video, and you'll be taken to this page where you can simply activate your trial by clicking this button and going through the checkout process. Honestly, there's a brand new promo and I don't know how long they'll be offering it. So if you are interested in checking out Webinarjam and maybe even making a few sales before having to invest, 30 days is really going to help you do that. So once again, just click the link in the description below. You'll be taken to this page and you can click Start My Trial. As I said, webinars are incredibly powerful, and I'm super curious what you are intending on selling with webinars in your business. So please comment down below, as I'd love to learn about it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, as it really helps get the video out to more people. And if you want more content for how you can make money online with digital products, check out the channel and keep it locked right here on Solopreneur. Thanks for watching, and be well.